Okay, I'm in the Google Sheet, and up here you can already see that I am using a number of RAND, what which actually stand for random. All right, so you can see the function inside here. They are all random. Okay, and the idea of RAND, okay, if I click this one down, you can see it returns a random number. Well, 0 and 1. Right, 0 and 1. So it's 0 inclusive and 1 exclusive, which is 0 point something, but it won't touch actually 1 itself. Okay, so this type of random number is pretty uh, interesting to use, especially when you want non-fixed type of uh, function or features inside your Google Sheet.